Let's make some egg bites. This is Keitha T and Keitha's Kitchen. Thank you all for joining. We're just crumbling up some bacon that I just finished cooking in the oven. And we're going to incorporate that right into our egg mixture. Enjoy the video. Let's go. Add in some of this bacon. Add it right in there. Give it a good mix. Then we're going to take the sausage that we chopped up and we're going to put that into the egg mixture. You see that? I'm just mixing it all up. So I have 5 eggs in this measuring cup. I just added about 5 strips of bacon and about 4 sausage links. The muffin pan that I've already sprayed and my ham. So the next thing I'm going to do, you see I have some cut up green peppers and I have some onions. We are just going to drop some of those to the bottom of the pan. I find that this personally works better for me. Now if you want to add this to your egg mixture, you can certainly do that too. But this is how Keitha's doing it in Keitha's Kitchen. And I don't know how far my eggs will actually go, so let me... Y'all see how easy this is? Go ahead and add that in. Ooh, that one has a lot now. Add a little bit over here. Perfect. I'm just going to stir them around so that everything is evenly mixed. Now because we still have 3 that does not have any mixture, we're just going to go ahead and add a little water. You don't want that to burn. Okay, and then we're going to pop this into a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. I would just put a little extra right on top before I put them into the oven. I don't know, it totally escaped my mind tonight for some reason. I do like cheese in my life. I'm so glad I remember. I would have been so disappointed. Can't believe what they got. Okay, so we're good. Now I'm just going to add a little bit more on top. Don't forget your cheese when you're making careful because